In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to solve iPhone stuck in zoom mode. So as you can see, currently my iPhone stuck on zoom mode. I can't unlock my phone, also I can't use my iPhone. So the easiest solution to exit of the zoom mode, all you have to need use your 3 fingers and long press on your display using your 3 fingers just like this. Or you can just double tap using your 3 fingers and your zoom mode will be turned off just like this. So using your 3 fingers you can just enable the zoom mode and you can disable or zoom out mode just like this. And now I will show you how to permanently disable the zoom mode. So go to your iPhone settings. In settings you have to go to accessibility. In accessibility, open zoom and just disable zoom option. Thanks for watching.